Victorian art. Art, literature, poems, inventions, designs and architecture were very important in Victorian Britain.
Hooray!
In 1851, Prince Albert and Henry Cole organised an art show called The Great Exhibition. It was visited by over 6 million people.
Wow!
Inside, there was a special building that looked like a giant greenhouse called the Crystal Palace. It was made from glass and iron. It took 5,000 men to build it.
Bravo!
William Morris drew flowers, leaves, animals, birds and fruit such as strawberries, blackberries and pears. The designs became very popular and many designs are still used today.
Woo!
William Morris and his friends formed the arts and crafts movement. They did not like any of the modern furniture or textiles that were being created. They thought that the materials used were cheap and looked horrible. Instead, they used high-quality materials to create furniture, complex wallpaper designs and fabrics for curtains and carpets.